Shoulder stiffness, you want to do the pendulum swing to loosen it up. This is commonly called a 50-year-old shoulder. So you don't have to be 50 years old to have this. But let's say you wake up and you can't lift your shoulder. It's like this is how much you can lift it, right? It's a shoulder stiffness, adhesive capsulitis. There's many words for these, but basically you can't move your shoulder, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to do the pendulum swing. So you're going to lean, okay, this is the shoulder, right? So you're going to let it just hang loose, relax. It should be like jelly. See, you should move it, it should be like jelly, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to start small. You're going to make these little circles. Circles like a pendulum swinging, right? And then you get bigger and bigger and bigger. Bigger and bigger and bigger. See, that gravity helps loosen, opens up that capsule, the shoulder joint. And then by moving it, you're stretching the tendons and ligaments. You're improving blood circulation, and it makes it really loose. You're going to do this every single day for about a minute. Okay, more advanced, you can add a weight to your hand. But if you're just starting off and you can't move your shoulder, all you want to do is just use the weight of your shoulder and just swing in a circle and get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Do this every single day. Let me know how it works. Make sure you follow me here on TikTok.
I had a sharp pain in my shoulder that started over the weekend, and happened to drop by and thought, oh my God, I'm going to try acupuncture. I kind of thought maybe that would be helpful. And after one session, one exam, it seemed like it took me one day and the pain is totally gone. And I'm still under treatment for other little issues, and I'm looking forward to it. It's great. It's been a great experience, and I would really recommend to anyone to come and try and see Dr. Bien if they have any problems, any issues or pain.
Do you have any regrets in your health in regards to things that you've done that you wish you didn't do in regards to damaging your health, right? I'm talking about this is in regards to damaging your health and thinking when we're young, we think we're invincible, and so we don't really care. We just do whatever, whether it's, overtaxing our body, taking drugs, illegal and legal drugs, and just really damaging our organ function. Do we have to wait until we're 50s, 60s, and 70s when it's like, oh shit, I shouldn't have done that when I was younger. Now I'm paying for it. And I want to pay for it for 20, 30 more years. Is it worth it, right? And so I don't want that to happen to you. Because my patient, she really, when we were having that conversation, she was like, I just don't want my daughter to go through the same thing that I went through. So whether you've already done some stuff that you regret doing in regards to damaging your health, there's still a chance that we can slow things down and we can help you restore some function. But a lot of the function is lost, and so your status quo, which used to be up here, and that is now down here. But what about your family? What about your spouse? What about your siblings? What about your kids, your grandkids? Are you going to let them make the same mistakes and have to go through the same suffering that you're currently going through, right? Because you can actually prevent it. And if you don't say something, that's on you. That's not on them, it's on you. So just don't have regrets, right? Don't have regrets. Not saying don't try things, but be smart about damaging your organs, okay? This is not about trying different things like eating different things, for example, or trying different things to push yourself outside your comfort zone, because you need to push yourself outside the comfort zone in order to grow. But doing stupid stuff, that's going to damage, it's going to cause damage that's going to be irreversible. Is it worth it, right? Maybe it is, I don't know, but having this conversation with my patient, it wasn't worth it. And so don't pay it forward. Pay it forward to your friends, your neighbors. Let them know what you've gone through. Share your story so that they don't have to experience the same regrets that you may be going through right now. But sometimes it's not too late. Sometimes it is too late. But sometimes it's not. But you won't know until you reach out. So reach out to Achieve Integrative Health. There might be a possibility that we can help you slow down the degeneration, slow down the pain. If we can't restore it, or at least slow it down so that you can at least have some quality of life for your next 20, 30 years, right?